So, there have already been numerous rumors and reports about the next smartphones, even if the Google Pixel 8 series debut is still some time off. The performance of its next-generation Tensor G3 chipset appears to be less impressive than had been originally speculated, according to the most recent observation. Recently, I had published a video that said the upcoming Tensor G3 from the search engine giant would provide noticeable performance improvements on the Pixel 8 series. The new, rebuilt architecture and advancements to the AI and machine learning capabilities were the forms that these improvements took. A discovery on the well-known Geekbench platform reveals that the device's overall performance is still unimpressive. The Tensor G3 managed to get 1,186 points in the single-core test and 3,809 points in the multi-core testing, according to the benchmark listing. The next MediaTek Dimensity 8300 SoC's specifications were recently leaked by tipster Revegnis, who also shared the Geekbench listing. Additionally, the Tensor G3's 9 cores have a base frequency of 2.15 GHz. These 9 cores are made up of 4 cores running at 2.15 GHz, 4 cores running at 2.45 GHz, and 1 core running at 3.02 GHz. According to rumors, Samsung's Exynos 2200 SoC is the foundation for the Tensor G3 processor. If this information is accurate, Google's next-generation chipset appears to be between 1 and 2 generations behind that of other industry behemoths like Apple, MediaTek, and Qualcomm. This, according to the tipster, shows why Samsung Foundry is still subpar. This is perhaps in contrast to TSMC, the biggest contract chip manufacturer in the world. Remember that synthetic benchmarks just provide us a glimmer of a device's true capability and aren't precisely a reliable indicator of real-world performance and user experience. The Pixel 8 won't arrive for another few months. Instead, everyone will be waiting for the Pixel Fold, which will debut on June 27. The Pixel tablet, which ships a week earlier, and the Google Pixel Fold are both available for pre-order. So, what do you guys think about all these upcoming Google products? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.